Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hello everyone and welcome back to DJ's Aviation. In early 2019, ANA, or All Nippon Airways, will be receiving their first Airbus A380. With an already elegant livery in place, ANA are also known for implementing special schemes on top of this, including their most recent Star Wars series aircraft. ANA has made the decision to paint one of its A380s in a special livery. There have only been a handful of special designs that have been painted on this double-decker aircraft, with Emirates leading the way with their United for Wildlife, Football, and the Year of Zahad special liveries. Over time, there have also been ones that have been removed, like the Qantas Wallabies A380 and more. So why did ANA take the plunge and decide to spend a large amount of money on a fancy lick of paint? There are a number of factors in this decision. We'll begin with a look at how the livery was chosen though. Unlike most airlines, which I should mention usually create special liveries for like a sponsor, ANA actually opened up a competition to the public to design their very own Airbus A380 livery. There were no real restrictions on what the design could be, but seeming the A380s will operate for the majority of the time on a service to Honolulu, the airline wanted it to have a tropical theme that represents the Hawaiian culture. Automatically, this is a plus for ANA, and it is better connecting them with the community that they will be sending the A380 to. If you're spending money to paint a special livery, you're obviously going to need to think how it will benefit you in the long run. What ANA will be doing with this livery is truly fantastic. The competition had some 2,000 entries in total, and one had to be picked from a number of finalists. The design that won is of course the image that will be shown throughout the video. The livery has a Hawaiian green sea turtle. Like most animals, there's usually a symbol associated with it. For this one, it's good luck and prosperity in Hawaii. Other liveries that unfortunately didn't win were also truly spectacular. The winner has won a round-trip business class ticket on the aircraft when the service begins. But why a special livery? Liveries, as I've mentioned before, can really vary in their purpose. For example, you may often see a special livery with something like Nike on the back, or possibly a movie like Kung Fu Panda or Snoopy, which were featured on Jetstar aircraft. However, on the odd occasion the livery isn't an ad to promote something, it's usually put on for a symbolic reason. For example, the new flying art that features on the Qantas 7879 is extremely symbolic to our Aboriginal culture here in Australia. This is also the case for the Mendor Ridgey aircraft. Airlines have recently got into the trend as well of having retro schemes to honour their past. However, this Hawaiian green sea turtle may come as a bit of an odd choice, but it really isn't. Through ANA implementing a special livery on their A380s, not only have they already attracted aviation lovers, but also now they've attracted an audience who don't necessarily know that the aircraft is, let's say, an A380. I'm talking about the passers-by who just go from point A to point B and don't think too much about the aircraft or airline. When ANA will launch this special livery, it'll automatically, without a doubt, attract the attention from just those passerbys. Purely because if you're in the airport, you'll see the likes of Delta, American, and just the standard schemes parked up at the gate, and then all of a sudden you'll see a huge sea turtle. More importantly, this animal is extremely symbolic to the Hawaiian culture. While ANA aren't based in Hawaii, this is an excellent move in their business to show their respect for Hawaii on a whole. And what does this do for the carrier exactly? Well, it can do a number of things. Firstly, it can present a very positive image of the airline to the community in Hawaii, and then it could therefore potentially lead to further sales. While it isn't a proven fact, carriers that care about the community they are headed to or their passengers will often attract higher numbers. With this route that the A380 will be serving already being hectic, this move could just blow the competitors already operating on this route, like Japan Airlines, out of the water. Do you like this new livery set to feature on the ANA Airbus A380? Or maybe do you like one of the runner-up choices? Let me know by dropping your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop it a like, and if you're new to the channel, of course, the subscribe button is always there. I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video of mine, and I do hope to see all of you in my next one.
Soaring.